music. Oh wait, are we both in it? Yeah. Food truck. You gotta come and check it out. Okay, so we're in Senado Square, and it's not too far from Mid-Autumn Festival. So we have the stage going on. Looks like they're playing around with some music. So that's gonna be all set up as well. You have the moon is out. You can see up that way. You can see Grand Lisboa Casino right there. And what we're gonna be doing is walking directly this way and seeing what all these the new stuff is all set up, because we have Mid-Autumn Festival coming up next weekend. So we'll see what they got on display here. So stay tuned for that. Macau. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so before we even start, so they got a stage all set up. That's the post office right there. That's our fountain and the music. So let's go check it out and see what we got here. Yeah, it's about 8:30. I think this area is so well lit that it's actually pretty good on film. You can also see how many people are around right now. So it's a Tuesday night, but you can still kind of see some kind of interesting photos right there. Very cool. Okay, so what we're gonna do is bring the camera around slowly and then come directly and walk through this here. This says Boa Festa de Bolo Lunar, so it's good festival of the Mid-Autumn Festival. A little bit of flickering there, but you got the Macau Tower right there as well. We'll try to come through because it's flickering a little too much here. There we go. Still got the flickering lights though. So actually the GoPro does have a lot of flickering lights, so I can't avoid that. But it's still kind of interesting just to see it. So what I'm going to do is move over this way and we'll see if we still have the flickering lights. So it's just from the it's actually just from that. So anyways, we'll move through it. Gotta move slowly because it's so these are the new lights, Mid-Autumn Festival already, and they change for festival to festival. And now you got Sao Domingo's church directly this way. So we're gonna film that briefly. And I think there's probably better times to film, which would be a little bit earlier in the evening when it's not as dark. So we're not going to film too much today. Actually, the flickering lights kind of went away now that we passed by it. Okay. So maybe we'll try to capture a little bit of the St. Dominic's Church. A lot of people kind of hanging out today. Got some guitar playing behind me. Actually, the lighting looks really good right now. There we go. It's kind of cool. Okay, so we're gonna keep on heading up, and we're basically walking towards Sao Paulo Ruins direction. And since we got started on a little bit, we're kind of moving along from Senado Square to Sao Domingos, which is a road right here, Rua de São Domingos. Gotta keep the camera steady because at nighttime it doesn't look so good if you... So we're gonna move along. Pop Marts. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk over towards a friend of mine's bar. We'll see if it's still open. So we'll bring the camera over that direction and say hello. Haven't seen him in a little while. So we're gonna head up this way. So we got some really nice lights right here. Let me just kind of come up real quick, because actually the lighting is also really good in this area as well. This is going to be Palha Street in São Domingos. Okay, so we're going to head on up. Still a little bit of the flickering light. It's just kind of a GoPro quirk. I always see other people complain about it too. It's just, the camera has so many amazing features, so it's the best camera that I like using. Has all the stuff that I want, and that's one of the negatives is the flickering lights at times. But we'll walk past it. Got this nice plaza right here. Okay. Lemon Cello, that looks like a new place. Actually, it's one thing that I've noticed quite a bit of here. There's all these new places, so this is a new one right here, Lemon Cello. So I guess that's a ice cream shop. And actually, that's one of the things that I've noticed is a lot of businesses closed with the COVID years, the last 3 years. Up until about a year ago, and now a lot of new businesses have come up. So we're gonna do next, let's just keep on walking down. That direction there goes to Sao Paulo ruins. Let me go over these people a little bit. So that goes directly to Sao Paulo ruins, but we're actually gonna go down this little alley right here. Got a temple. You kind of do a little bit of a 360 here. So that's the direction we just came at, which was Palha, São Domingos, Natal Square. And then the other direction we came was this one, which is Sao Paulo. So that's Sao Paulo ruins up there, and that's actually Rua de Sao Paulo as well. But we're gonna go down this little alley right here. Looks like they're closing up. It's about 9 o'clock at night, maybe, on a Tuesday. Kind of cool windows. And I have filmed his place other times too, so we're gonna see if see how he's doing. So we're gonna head directly down that way. Rua de Envenenarios. So we are going to go down this direction here. And head down this little, this is kind of a cool street right here. Oh, it looks like they're going to change this mural. They had a little miniature Sao Paulo ruins up at the top of that rooftop. And then they had an advertisement right there, but those are both gone. Coffee shop is closed for the night. A lot of the places are closed now on this street. These are kind of interesting. There's like a little bit of a mist in here, so I'll just bring the camera through it. And then there's another one, the second one up here, is the one we're gonna go to. And Binarios. Let's see if he's there. Got the advertisement out front. This is new, I haven't seen it. There he is. So that's the one we're gonna go into right there. Food truck Macau. So we'll say hello. And we have the food truck.
New food truck.
The new food truck. So we came down to say hi and kind of see what it's all about.
I was thinking about you yesterday.
Nice. You brought me in. So I got the new food truck, so I'll just do a quick congee.
Yeah, we have spring rolls. I'm doing now the spring rolls of codfish.
Wow.
Yeah.
Smell good? Good. It smells really good, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, so doing pretty well. Anything I should film?
Yeah, outside.
Talk.
Outside. You can move my microphone.
Say hello. Hello.
YouTuber.
I'll be back. So that's his wife, and she's working tonight as well. Oh, I didn't see this. That's it right there. So, oh, okay. They're waiting for me. You're welcome. Oops. So we're gonna
I'm sorry.
No worries. I'm gonna come around this way. Okay, so these are some kind of interesting back streets. It's a little bit dark, so I'm not going to film them, but it is a nice lit building with some nice paint. And so I think what we're going to do is I'm just going to end it right there. Usually when I come here, I'll get this one. This is pretty well known, so especially among the Portuguese community. They also have coconuts. There's the congee right there. Chicken, fish, bacalhau. I heard that this one is another one that we just recently got as well. The mango rice. And that's the name right there. All right, made it to the food truck. Come and check it out. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.